Okay, for students, I'm going to show you how to check rubrics in assignments. So here's an assignment. When I click on it, you can see here is the rubric. I can see already before I even make a submission, it's very clear how I'm going to be graded as a student. Here is my submission that I made. If I click on it, okay, I can just view what I actually submitted. If I click out of here on that X, I can see up here, here is my grade. Okay, if I click on the I, all right, it's going to give me what the categories on the rubric were, as well as what the category is. But here's where the real information is. If I click on this, is going to show me with the check marks everything that my teacher had selected for the rubric, indicating where I lost points. Okay, and then you can close it. You can shrink it down with this. Okay, you can close it with this or with the X. So how to view a rubric in an assignment as a student.